Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Firefox on your Mac. To download Firefox, open any browser that you currently have. By default you should have Safari on your Mac. So open that and search for Firefox. Then open the Mozilla.org website, and then you'll be able to see download Firefox, and it will start downloading. As you can see here, you need to wait until it downloads. And now the file is downloaded, so you can either find it here or go to the Finder, then go to Downloads and find your new downloaded file. Double click on it and it will open this window. And now the installation process is pretty easy. Just drag the Firefox into the applications folder and it will be done after this bar comes to an end. And now you can close it. I would suggest you also in the Finder finding Firefox in locations and ejecting it by clicking on eject. And also, if you want, I would suggest removing the DMG file. So go to downloads and remove this file because you don't need it anymore. And you can see that your Firefox browser is in the launchpad now. You can open it. Click on open. And now it's ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.